You're trying to delete blank rows in Excel, but nothing works. It's not your fault. This is because of merged cells. And in this video, I'll teach you how to fix it. Okay, so I have a data set over here, which I copy and pasted from a website. So it was pasted exactly as you can see it right here. Now, when cells are merged in Excel, Excel treats the entire merged area as a single cell. And as a result of that, the rows that look empty, such as this area over here, are not actually considered blank by Excel. Now, how to delete the rows that contain blank in this scenario? And the solution is fairly simple. So the first step is to click on Ctrl A on your keyboard. So the data set is selected. Then you will have to go in the ribbon, in the Home tab, and go to the section that says Merge and Center. And you have to click on this little drop-down arrow over here. So a menu opens up. In that menu, you have to left-click on Unmerge Cells, as so. So the cells in my data set have now been unmerged. And let's see how that looks. So there we go. For example, this cell over here, cell C3, is a separate cell from the cell above it. And as you saw in the beginning of this video, they were merged. So this section over here and all the sections that contain this data were merged, but they're no longer merged. Now the empty cells are separate unique cells, and they're no longer merged with the cell above them. So that was the first and the most important step in deleting the blank rows. Now the next step is to click on Ctrl A again. So the data set is selected. Then you have to click on Ctrl G. This menu opens up, the Go-To menu. And in the Go-To menu, you have to click on Special. So you left-click on Special, as so. Another menu opens up. In the other menu, which is the Go-To Special menu, you have to left-click on Blanks. So select Blanks, as so, and then click on OK. All right, now there's only one more step until we're all done, and that step is to delete the blank rows. And to do that, without clicking on any other button on your keyboard, and also without clicking the mouse, click on Control plus minus on your keyboard. This delete page over here pops up, and on this page, you have to select the option for deleting the entire row. And then you have to click on OK, as so. And there we go, we're all done. And we were able to successfully delete all rows which contained blank cells within the C to F range. And again, the first step is obviously to unmerge them and then follow the remaining steps for deleting the rows that contain blanks. And that's how it's done. I hope you've enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed already, make sure to subscribe and also turn on notifications so you won't miss out on future videos. See you soon.